Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about selling properties. By the end of this video, you will know what to do and what not to do when selling a property. When you're thinking about selling your property, I'm pretty sure that you're thinking about profit, right? Every seller's main goal is to sell their home for the best possible price. And if you are a seller, I'm pretty sure that you think that you have the best house in the entire city. And in reality, not really. All properties are very special to their owner. And they think that that property is worth more than what it actually is. And if you're working with a good realtor, I'm pretty sure that your realtor will not take an overpriced listing just to take another listing. Listing the property at the right price will make you more money than listing it with an inflated or unrealistic price. Most sellers will list their property higher than market value because they think that they will get more money out of it, because they will have the opportunity to negotiate with the buyer. But in reality, what's going to happen is that they will lose the momentum and that property will stay in the market for sale forever and ever. Tons of sellers think that if they just listed their property and if they receive an offer during the first 24 hours of that listing being on the MLS, sellers think that getting an offer is an indication that they price their property way too low. But here's the truth without sugarcoating it. Getting an offer or multiple offers in the first few days means that the property is priced correctly. And that's why so many buyers want to see it as quickly as possible. If a seller receives an offer after the first showing, more than likely they won't accept it because they will think that by the third day, another buyer is going to pay more than the first buyer. But keep in mind that the longer your property stays on the market, the worse offers could get. Or maybe you get nothing at all. And this is because homes sell for the most money when they are on the market for less than 30 days. And don't even talk about estimates or any online indicator. Always trust your realtor. Overpricing your property, thinking that you could accept a lower offer later on, will never be a good strategy. The worst is that it could leave you empty-handed, especially when buyers start to wonder what's wrong with your property. This house has been in the market for 90 days, 180 days, and is still for sale. What's wrong with it? If you price it too high, thinking that it will create a lot of negotiation room, that will be the biggest waste of time and money. And you can always get your money back. But time is an asset. And if you have remodeled your kitchen and let's say the master bedroom, don't think that the money you spend making those renovations will be recouped once you sell. Remember to trust your realtor. They are the ones who knows the market very well, not estimates. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.